Hey, 8th graders. Next lesson for science. So we've been looking at light. So we looked at kind of like the spectrum and different types of colors. The first lesson, last time we looked at reflection and mirrors. Now we're looking at refraction and lenses. So our My Planet Diary is a biography of Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton may be best known as the man who came up with the theory of gravity. But Newton, who was born in England, made numerous other important contributions to both math and science, including defining the laws of motion and co-founding the field of calculus. In the 1660s, Newton investigated the laws of light and color. In his famous book, Optics, he describes how he passed sunlight through a prism to prove that white light consists of many colors. Newton was knighted in 1705 and was the first scientist to be buried at Westminster Abbey. So just one question today. How did Newton prove that sunlight consists of many colors? He passed sunlight through a prism, and then that showed that the white light is of many colors. So let's look at our key questions, 2 of them today. What causes light rays to bend? And what determines the type of image formed by a lens? So we have when light rays enter a new medium at an angle, the change in speed causes the rays to bend. An index of refraction is the measure of how much a light ray bends when it enters that medium. And maybe you're thinking about a rainbow right now, but we have water plus light equals a rainbow. So when it rains and then the sun shines, that usually means that there's a rainbow. A mirage is an image of a distant object caused by refraction of light. Typically, we think about them in the desert, and maybe you've seen them in movies. A lens is a curved piece of glass or other transparent material that refracts light. The type of image formed by a lens depends on the shape of the lens and the position of the object. Read that one carefully and look at it again because that will be on your assignment. And then 2 more words here. Concave lens is a lens that is thinner in the center than at the edges, and convex is thicker in the center than at the edges. Those 2 words will also be on your assignment, so make sure you're keeping those straight. Concave is thinner, convex is thicker. So we'll go through our vocabulary words. Index of refraction is the measure of how much a light ray bends when it enters that medium. Mirage is an image of a distant object caused by refraction of light. A lens is a curved piece of glass or other transparent material that refracts light. Concave lens is a lens that is thinner in the center than at the edges, and convex is thicker in the center than at the edges. So your assignment is to complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 3. Make sure you read each question carefully, select the best option. Let me know if there's any questions on the assignment or on the lesson. And different than normal, normally our assignments are due on Thursday, and they're assigned on Tuesday, but it is due tomorrow, Wednesday, because Thursday is Thanksgiving. So you have a whole day to get it done still, but due tomorrow.